morning. I am driving from Colorado, which has been beautiful, nice, cooler weather, to Oklahoma City to pick up a Swivel Wheel Carrier that I want to use for a little while to see if I like it better than the Hitch Carrier for hauling my motorcycle. So it's about 700 miles, and we'll do the majority of that today, finish it up in the morning, and then heading back to Colorado to visit family and enjoy the beautiful weather. So it should be a good trip.
I bought a Swivel Wheel Carrier because neither of the hitch receivers I've had on my extended body ProMaster have been up to the task of carrying a 280-pound motorcycle. The Class 3 hitch receiver that came with the van failed during the prior owner's use, so I replaced it with an OEM Class 4 hitch receiver, supposedly the best available. As you can tell from this photo, it also failed. The brackets tying the hitch receiver to the frame became bent after approximately 1,000 miles of driving. I'm not surprised, as the brackets weren't stiffened. It was a piss-poor design and by far inferior to the step van's hitch receiver, which I used for a year without issue.
So a pretty easy drive from Colorado to Oklahoma City. So just 70 across through Kansas and then south on 135, I-35. So I drove all but an hour and a half yesterday. I finished the drive to Oklahoma City and picked up my swivel wheel trailer. So it took about 20 minutes to get it hooked up. Should be an interesting drive back. So, well, we'll figure it out. Alright, let's see how this trailer performs during the drive. I'm just keep my eye on it.
The Swivel Wheel Carrier is considered an extension of the van's body, as it doesn't pivot side to side like a normal trailer. Its primary advantage is it reduces the tongue weight in half by spreading the load evenly between the hitch receiver and single rear wheel. I was able to bend the existing hitch receiver back into place for this quick trip. However, it's a temporary fix at best. I already have a draw-tight 75-882 hitch receiver waiting for me in Colorado. It is designed for the shorter body ProMaster, and though it technically doesn't fit my van, others have made it work with minimal modifications. Draw-tight might allow me to continue using my existing motorcycle carrier, which means this will have been a wasted trip. However, if time proves me wrong and the draw-tight also isn't up to the task, I'll look like a genius for jumping on the great deal I got on the Swivel Wheel Carrier. Other than wanting to escape the heat of the central states, I wasn't in too much of a rush to get back to Colorado, so I stopped and enjoyed a few places along the way.
think twice before calling. All right, fine. Go ahead and call. 4 aces.